how's it going? How's everyone doing? Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Julie. In today's video, if you can guess by my shirt, we are making a spinach, pineapple, peach, banana, yogurt, and milk smoothie. And I just wanted to say that I'm not a smoothie expert. I'm learning, so I'm just filming these just to kind of practice to see if I want to make a YouTube channel. And I know there's a lot that goes into that, you know, maybe getting a better camera, getting the editing software like iMovie or Final Cut Pro, a tripod. There's a lot. I want to start really simple and see if it's even what I want to do. Anyhow, I've got a lot of good ideas for videos. Like, I don't know if I should say it now or if I should well, I guess I could say them now. Like, I'm thinking about, I'm going to do like five things, like go to 5 different parks or 5 different donut shops or 5 different coffee shops or 5, it's kind of like I'm going to do, and then I also have just like lots of other ideas for like sitting and talking videos, because that's not my problem. It's not for lack of ideas. I've got like, you know, you guys know me, I have like a million ideas. So yeah, I'm sort of been working on that. That's pretty cool, just trying to figure that out. But yeah, so pretty good weekend. My mom came over and helped me clean like the bathroom and everything, because yeah, it just kind of helps to have someone just have a big cleaning day. And then Becky helped me at work yesterday with sorting the books and putting the books in order, because when we get so backed up, and it just helps. So usually I have to do the sorting and the putting them in order and shelving them. So it just helped. I just got more done, and we're not, because we kind of, one lady's on vacation and we kind of go into the weekend already behind. And sometimes Neil will help me shelf too. He's my supervisor. So yeah, anyhow, hope everyone is doing good. And like I said, I'm excited about some new video ideas. Just giving myself fun activities to do, like challenges. And yeah, I can't really think of anything else. FC Cincinnati won there. No, they tied last night, 1-1. They tied Atlanta. They tied 1-1. So, and the new guy scored off of a header, off of a cross from Barriel, and then he headed it in. So, you know, there you go. Trying to think of anything else to share. I don't think so. Okay, so let's get into the smoothie before the fruit is melting as we speak. So, here we go. There so it doesn't fall. And it's taken me a few times to film this video I've been having, just like, and the fridge is running, so you can probably hear that. And I tucked my shirt in this time. Why don't you just tuck it in? Okay, so let's see, let's get going. Okay, so we have spinach, and I'll put that in first, I guess. Make sure my hands are clean enough. Bring the spinach in first. Excuse me, I'm burping. I have spinach or romaine like every day. Like I fix a salad almost every day. Let's do the pineapple next. Yeah, you can. It's melting. It's melting. Banana. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. It's like the videos should be fun, you know. It's like when it gets all, and I have my hair in a half ponytail. I fixed it different today. I actually blew it dry before I now my hands are getting all yucky. I don't do that at all because I don't use product, and I don't flat iron it, and it's just kind of like frizzy. So it's actually better when I sleep on my hair. Like if I wash it at night, it looks better because I get like bedhead and it's like flatter. So, yeah, that's what's going on. I've been taking walks, so that, oh, we're up high now. That's probably all. There's a lot. Maybe they just give you that. I know, I'm up higher than I want to be on this. That's probably why I need a blender. And then see if I did the editing software, I could edit out any parts that were like, you know, just kind of lag time. Push it down. Maybe it was too much. I might have put too much pineapple in. Oh well, that's good for you. Okay, we're doing good. We get the yogurt in. Where are we at? Oh, we're only at 5 minutes, so it hasn't been too super long. But yeah, I have a lot of ideas. And then it's like, I think being a cancer survivor, I have a lot of videos that could be direct, like helpful to like newly diagnosed cancer survivors, you know, just like, and then I like, I don't know, I just have, this is gonna be intense. Well, hopefully it'll be good. Let's see. Alright. Okay, let's see what we're doing. I mean, I'm sure that max, I think it's just so there's room, like it needs a little room. I don't think, hopefully that's, okay. Are we good? I might put one more little, okay. The spinach is going to turn it green, so let's see. I would say it's done. Let's hope so. Okay, I know it keeps making my hands. Alright, let's see what we got. And I knew it was going to turn it green because of the spinach, but that's fine. Ah! Now I've splashed it all over. I almost feel like I would add spinach to most of them. It's a lot. It might be enough for. That's the thing. You kind of overshoot it. Let's give it a try. It's good. Okay. Let's get the mug. I got the mug here. Whoa, Nelly. It's good. I didn't it's good. It's not super thin where, you guys see? Pretty cool. Okay. And I have some more that I could possibly, I just have to get a little better at how much fruit I put in, you know. Just get a little better at that's good. Like I said, just get a little bit better at how, because you don't have that much room. See, and I even have, I'll just like, I guess I'll just freeze that. Yeah, I gotta get better at like if you have 3 fruits, just putting a certain amount of each one in. Okay, so I would say, and I didn't show you the ingredients before this is good. The green throws you off, but really, you might as well throw in the spinach. I like it. So that is our drink for today. And we'll set it here. Okay, so 10 minutes. I did good. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed my video, and yeah, I will get working on the next video. And like I said, I've been and one of them is going to be a little serious. It's not about guys. It's more about something that I don't really want to mention it because I'll get too involved in it. Something that I was doing, like a bad habit that I quit, which was really, really like a huge thing to quit, because it's very hard to quit doing this certain thing, this certain bad habit. So I might research that a little bit today, and that might be my next one that I make. And it's actually like, it's a hard one to film because the behavior is kind of like shameful in a way, because it's like, especially being a cancer survivor. And but I'm kind of proud of myself for kicking the bad habit. It's been 13 weeks now, and some of my friends know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna make a video about it and kind of share. And that's part of why I got, like, people were probably like, why in the heck are you making these smoothies? Like, what is, like, thinking I'm, like, gone and lost my mind. But, you know, when you're kind of trying to focus on your health and do healthy things, you kind of have to, yeah, those smoothies, that one almost, it reminds me of the green one I made with the avocado. But I do like this one, it's good. Oh, and I need to take a picture of it. So, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so that might be the next one, the next video, or something for for the cancer survivors. So those are the 2 I have ready next. And then the coffee shop one or the park or the donuts. So yeah, I kind of got a lot of ideas, and like I said, I forget, there was something else I was gonna say, something about the one I was just talking about. Because I said I could go up to 15 minutes, so I forget what it was. Something about the next one I was gonna make. Oh, why I got into the smoothies and stuff, I don't know. Now, yeah, I was gonna say, now the color got all different. Now the air has come on, so the fridge is running, the air's on. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess I will sign off. I can't think of anything right now else to talk about. I've been like I said, I've been craving like lattes or chais or something, and then just to get out and do stuff more than just going to work. I think that's why I was kind of wanting to do some more activities. So okay, so hope everyone is enjoyed this video. It's almost 15 minutes, so I'm gonna sign. Oh, and that's what I was gonna say. I feel like that first video I put out a couple months ago, after having not made one in a long time, I thought people were just watching it just because I used to talk about love and relationships and dating, which I might talk about again in a future video, but I almost feel like that's why people were watching it, to see if I was going to say anything about anything, you know, and I didn't, and I was like, no, I'm kind of keeping that under wraps. So but I was like, that's why I got so many views. So it's like, I don't know if I'm getting a lot of views because it's auto playing and like people were clicking on it accidentally, or if people were actually clicking on it because they want to watch it and they're watching it all the way through. So it's like, I don't know, like either way, I don't know. But I'm glad people watch. And I thought I'm really funny. Like I thought not intentionally funny, like I'm funny like accidentally, like so yeah, so there's that. So anyhow, hopefully excuse me. On that note, okay, it's been 15 minutes 20 seconds. All right. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.